In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your lateral link on your Mazda 3. It's located behind your rear wheel. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to remove our lug nuts to remove our wheel. Make sure you have a good hand on the top there, so the wheel doesn't fall off on you. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to take out this bolt. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to remove this bolt. Alright, now you're going to take a pry bar and find a good spot and pry down on the front. And once that's out, you can get the other end. Gonna clean up the area, get rid of some rust. Makes the install easier. All right, you're gonna insert the top first. You may need a rubber mallet to bang it in. You can start your bolt. And now we're going to use a pry bar and put this one in. Once you get it started, I'm going to give it a little tap with a rubber mallet. If you need to, you can use a punch to get it lined up. And get that bolt started as well. If your bolt is not going in all the way, take a pry bar underneath and just make sure this lateral link is perpendicular. There we go. Now I'm going to do the same on the other side. All right. Coming through the other end, so now I'm going to zip it in there. I'm going to torque this to 60 foot-pounds. This one as well. Anytime you do any sort of suspension, you're going to want to take it down to your local shop and get in alignment. We're going to install our wheel. I like to walk my wheel on, starting with the bottom lug nut. And then tighten them in a star-like pattern. We're going to torque our wheel to 85 foot-pounds in a star-like pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.